Hello, in this video I want to show you how to respec points in Tiny Tina's Wonderlands. And to do this, first you will need to progress in a game and basically kill a boss named a Zomboss. And when you finish killing him and return to Brighthoof, you should be able to unlock this quick change machine. You can approach it, click on E or corresponding gamepad button. That way you will access your character customization, and on the bottom there's a reset skills. Click on it and it will cost you some money, and you can respec your skills as well as your hero points, or respec both. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.